Hello, welcome to my channel. I am so glad you are here. Today we embark on a transformative journey inspired by the element force of water. As we flow through this Vinyasa practice, we'll channel the fluid energy of water, allowing it to guide us through movements that cleanses, strengthen, and renew us. If you have two blocks nearby, consider incorporating them into your practice for added support and stability. Now let's surrender to the rhythm of our breath. Let go of any expectations and dive deep into the flowing currents of this practice. My intention for this practice is that it's going to be a great value for you in one or more ways, that you're going to enjoy and connect deeper within, cultivating peace and joy and well-being. So when you're ready, roll out your mats. Let's start in seated. Roll your shoulders back, close down your eyes or lower your gaze. Take a moment to just settle in, center yourself. And we take 3 long breaths together. Breathe in through your nose and exhale out from your mouth. 2 more times, long breath in. And exhale it out. 1 more time. Long breath. And out. Continue to just breathe in and out through your nose, activating Ujjayi if you use that in your practice. So with your eyes closed, connecting to the energy of water, the fluids. So maybe you want to just sit here and sway from side to side with your closed eyes. Or you can take your right hand on your lower belly and your left hand on your heart and just sway from side to side, noticing the connection between your hands and your body, your breath. And allowing your head to be loose, your spine to be loose. As you're breathing deeply in and out, being intuitive, maybe you want to roll your head around. Maybe you want to roll your shoulders, spinal wave, just noticing what you need, what you want, and being in your body as you move. If thoughts come up, it's okay, just gently move the awareness into the breath, into your body as you sway from side to side, creating circles or whatever feels good for you. Being free in your upper body as you root down into your seat, into the ground. And slowly, slowly stretch out your arms to the sides. With your eyes closed, roll your shoulders up to the air. And exhale, melt them down into your back. 1 more time, breathing in, up to the air, circling down. And as you breathe in, stretch your arms to the sky. And exhale, hands down to the floor. Let's go into your hero pose, hands on your knees. We do some spinal waves, starting with the arch. As you lean forward, allow your head to be the last going down. As you exhale, curve up again, pushing away from your legs. Inhale, opening up in your front body. And as you exhale, opening up in your back body. Again, connecting with the water. So you're breathing in, opening up like a wave. And exhale like a wave, going back to the ocean, going back, 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 back. Good. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, dive down, tabletop position and into our hip circles. Start moving to your right side and a circle back to your heels. If you want, you can close down your eyes, bending into your elbows, or just move into your body, creating fluid circular motions. Breathing in as you come forward, exhale as you move backwards. Change direction next inhale. Connecting with the ground under you and using your hands to really push yourself back. Creating space in your hips. Exhale, push yourself back to child's pose with your toes tucked. Exhale, roll forward, cat back. Inhale, arch your back, let the hips lead the way up to your downward facing dog. Connecting to the ground under you as you walk out the dog, bending into your hips, your knees. On your inhale, lift your heels up, spinal wave. Think cat as you roll into your plank. Exhale, bend your knees, let the hips lead the way back to your downward facing dog. Exhale, really curve your back into your plank. And exhale, really arch your back into your downward facing dog. One more time like this, even more fluid, really feeling into your body. Inhale, three-legged dog, and exhale, bend into your Scorpio. 3 circles with your right leg, one direction, really squaring out your shoulders as you move into your hips. On your next breath, change your direction with your circle through your full range of motion here. Now take a breath into your Scorpio. Exhale, right knee to right triceps. Place your foot outside your right hand. Lower down your left knee. Option to put blocks under your hands. Press into your hands as you push back into your half split. Allow your head to go the last. Inhale, curve to the front into your dragon again, puffing up your chest. Exhale, pushing back half split, flex your front foot, and inhale, curve your spine into a dragon. Exhale, half split. This time we stay. Option to come on your fingertips. Breathe. Inhale, dragon. Hands under your shoulders, stretch your back leg. Now extend your right leg to the side and all the way up to a scorpion, opening up in your hips. Exhale, right knee to left triceps. Extend your right leg to the left side of the mat in a fallen triangle, opening up in your chest, your heart, pressing into all points that are touching the ground. And on your inhale, bend into your legs. And with your exhale, pick up your right leg to a figure 4 down dog. Bending your left knee and flex your right foot. Pressing into your hands. Exhale, pigeon pose. Option to bend your back leg or put a block under your hip. We're gonna flow here, so breathing in, puffing your chest up. Exhale, flow forward. Inhale, lift up through your spine. Allow your head to be the last. And exhale, chest forward. Inhale, rise up through your spine. One more time like this. As you exhale, forward fold. And inhale, stay up here. Pressing into your hands. Under your shoulder, tuck your back foot and downward facing dog. Breathe out. And inhale, spinal wave to your plank. Exhale, your chaturanga. Inhale, up dog or cobra. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg, three-leg dog. Exhale, bend your leg, left heel to right hip. Start creating circle in one direction. Moving into your hips. And 3 circles the other direction as well. Breathing as you move into your hips. As you inhale, open up your hips. Exhale, left knee to left triceps. Place your foot outside your left hand and lower down your back knee, setting up for lizard pose. Exhale, push yourself back to your half split. Inhale, curve your spine as you move forward in lizard. Exhale, use your hands to push yourself back. Moving into your legs, into your spine. Inhale, come forward. And exhale, push again back to your half split, flexing your front foot. One more time, breathe into your lizard. And exhale, push back to your half split. This time we stay, allowing your head to rest, pushing your hips far back, sending your breath into your hamstrings, your quads. And on your next inhale, slowly come forward again. Stretching your back leg up, look forward. Pressing into your hands and lift your left leg, sweep it to the side and into your scorpion. Exhale, left knee to right triceps, twist, stretching out your left leg and open up in a fallen triangle. Open your chest, look back. And on your next exhale, bending into both legs, open up your right arm in cactus. Exhale, right arm down, figure 4, downward facing dog. With your left knee bent, flexing your left foot. On your next exhale, left knee to left wrist in a pigeon pose. Using your time to get into this pose, squaring out your hips. Make sure everything feels good, or you can bend your back leg. So we flow forth and back. Exhale as you flow forward. And inhale, tuck your navel, curve up. Allow your head to be the last thing coming up. Exhale, falling down, floating. And inhale, flow up. Place your hands under your shoulder, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your heels, spinal wave to your plank. Exhale, chaturanga all the way down to the floor. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, push your hips back, tuck your toes, rest your head. Inhale, elbows down, dive up and stretch your arms. Exhale, push your hips back, curve your spine. Inhale, elbows down, arch up and stretch your arms. Exhale, push, curve your spine and up to your down dog. Start walking your hands towards your feet. Grab opposite elbow, bend your knees, ragdoll, swipe from side to side, releasing your head. Breathing into your lower back, and allow your exhale to float down your spine like water, releasing any tension in your spine, your neck. One more time, breathing into your lower back, and exhale it down through your spine, releasing. Hands on the floor, toes pointing out, sit down into your yoga squat. Palms meet, or you can make fists to create a deeper opening into your hips. Sending your breath into your hips and exhale it out. Inhale, hands on the floor, heels out so your legs are wider than the mat, and start walking to a wide down dog. Inhale with straight legs, spinal wave to your plank, activating your quads. Exhale, push your hips back and allow your head to rest. One more time, breathe in, lower back, middle back, upper back, and then your plank. Exhale, pushing your hips back. One more time, breathing into your plank. This time, bend your knees, hovering over the floor, and push back into your hips to your down dog. One more time, breathing in, spinal wave. Exhale, bending your legs, push back into your hips. On your next inhale to your plank, exhale, chaturanga all the way down to the floor. Interlace your fingers, opening up your chest. Exhale, toes together, activating your glutes, opening up in your chest and shoulders. One more breath here. And exhale, let go of your legs and hands. Hands next to your chest, breathe in, cobra. And exhale into your child's pose, toes together, knees apart. Take some breath here, noticing any sensations in your body. Noticing all the points of your body that are touching the ground. Softness in your face. On your next inhale, come up to your down dog. Exhale, bend your knees. Inhale, jump or walk through your hands. Inhale, half lift. And exhale, forward fold. Grab your ankles or your quads. Take a breath. Hands on the floor, hip distance apart with your feet. Take your hands on your knees and curve yourself up. On your exhale, inhale, arch your back, fall down. Exhale, come up and curve your spine. Inhale, arch and fall forward. Keeping a connection with your legs, push them away. Exhale, come up. And inhale, open your chest, open your heart. Take your hands behind your hips and come up to standing. Exhale, dive down, curve your spine, bend your legs. Inhale, swan dive up to mountain position. Exhale, curve your spine, forward fold. Inhale, arch your back up to flat back into your mountain. Exhale, hands to heart, feet together. Pressing into your feet and slowly shift your hips towards your left side. Stay here with your hips and then start lifting your right foot. Arms over to the right, maybe look towards your right. Breathe. And on your next exhale into revolved dancer, so you shift your weight towards the left, grabbing your right foot with your left hand, stretching your right arm up, finding length, and then you push your right foot into your left hand, opening up into your heart, into your chest. Holding your gaze. Inhale, slowly let go of your foot. Stretch your arms to the front, warrior 3. Finding length in your body, stability in your gaze and in your standing leg. Slowly take your right toe down and bend into your right knee into your Skandasana. Take a breath into your Skandasana. Slowly start bending your front leg and setting up for your deep side angle. For modification, you can have your left arm on your left thigh so you come higher up with your upper body. Pressing into both feet and swing your hips towards the right. Inhale into your cactus lunge, lifting your back heel. And exhale, reach forward, opening up in your back body. Inhale, cactus arm, opening up in your shoulders, your front body, and exhale, forward folds. Reach forward. Inhale, extend your front leg, cactus arms, and exhale, forward fold into your pyramid pose. Using blocks under your hands if you want. Lifting your back heel or lower your back heel, up to you. 2 breaths here. Strong legs. Squaring your hips. On your inhale, reach your arms, bend your front leg, high lunge. Exhale, twist towards your left side. Navel to spine, squeezing your inner thighs. Exhale, right hand on the floor, keeping your right hand as an anchor and your left hand as an anchor. And you can move freely here, bending into your right arm, moving into your hips. Just moving intuitively into areas that you maybe didn't move into before today. Breathing. On your next exhale, move to a wide forward fold on the right side of the mat, left hand on your right ankle, right arm in the sky, open your chest. Exhale, bend your right knee and inhale, extend. So exhale, bend and inhale, stretch. One more time, bend and extend. Stretch your right arm to the front of the mat, lift your back heel, reach, and start to lean forward and lift your back leg. Bending your back leg behind your left knee, palms together, lifting up in a balance, square your hips. See if you can bend even more in your front leg. On your next exhale, reach your back leg to the back of the mat, put your knee down. Grab your toe on your right foot and then find a side plank. Option to straight out your legs, gaze upwards, or find a full expression of this variation where you stretch out your lower leg as well. Breathe. Wherever you are, take your back leg to the front into your half split. Option to stay here and rock forth and back from half split to lunge, or you can go into your full split. Option to use blocks. Just be mindful and listen to your body. Breathing in wherever you are and stay for 3 breaths. If you are in the full split, start lifting yourself up into your half split first. Take your hands under your shoulders and take your left leg back in a Scorpio. Start creating circles. You can go down on your right elbow. Moving into your hips. Pressing into your right elbow and hand and your left hand. Extend your right leg. And keep doing circles with your left leg. Option to stay down on your right knee. In this variation of a dolphin. Extend your leg, extend your arms, three-leg dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. You can stay in down dog or take a vinyasa. Either way, we meet in down dog. Exhale, bend your legs. Inhale, jump or walk through your hands. Inhale, half lift, and exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back to a high mountain. Hands meet at the top, and exhale, hands to heart. Stretch your arms next to your body. Find your balance, root down in your feet, long back, soft. And on your next exhale, shift your hips towards your right side. Start lifting your left leg, pointing your toe. So one part of you are reaching towards the right side and one part is reaching towards the left. Slowly start moving to the other side, setting up for revolved dancer. Grab your left foot with your right hand. Now finding the center, stretching your left arm to the sky. Open up your chest and press your left foot into your right arm, keeping your muscle engaged as well, lifting up, opening up in your heart. On your inhale, slowly let go of the grip and stretch your leg and arm into warrior three. Your standing leg can be bent, finding length, breathe. With control, bending your standing leg and reaching your left toe to the back of the mat. Start bending into your left leg and into Skandasana, using your elbows to open up into your hips. Long spine, take a breath. On your next inhale, reach up to the sky, stretch both legs up. And exhale, bend into your front leg, toes pointing forward into your deep side angle. Swinging your hips towards the left side of the mat, rolling your shoulder back. On your inhale, lifting your back heel and open up in cactus lunge. As you exhale, reach forward, make a lot of space between your shoulder blades. Inhale, opening up in your heart and shoulders. And exhale, reaching forward. Inhale, open, stretching your front leg, activating quads. And exhale, swan dive down into pyramid pose. Keeping your back heel lifted or place it down in a more traditional pyramid. Plugging into the present moment by plugging into any sensation you feel right now as you breathe in and out. Inhale to high lunge, arms to the sky. Exhale, twist towards your right, hugging your inner thighs together, reaching your right arm to the back and left arm to the front. As you exhale, left hand under your left shoulder, right arm to the sky. Now just start to move freely into your body in this pose, moving your shoulder, your head. Whatever feels good for you right now, micro movements or big movements, or just breathe and move and flow. And exhale, deep forward fold on your left side of the mat, right hand on your left ankle, left arm to the sky. Inhale, bend into your left leg and exhale, extend 2 more times like this. Keep your left shoulder open, look up to the sky. On your next exhale, reach your left arm to the front, leaning onto your right leg, bending into your right leg, and start lifting your back leg Now into our balance, bending your left knee behind your right knee, palms together. Now stay low with your legs as you reach your arms to the sky, squaring your hips, finding length in your waist. And on your exhale, forward fold, reach your left leg on the back of the mat, putting your left knee down, grabbing your right toe, and find your modified side plank on your left hand. Look up to the ceiling. And again, if you did the full expression on the other side by stretching out your left leg, you can do this on this side as well. With control, take your right leg to the front into your half split. So again, you can choose between moving from a half split to low lunge, or maybe you want to go into your full split here. Optional to use blocks under your hands. So just listening to your body and do not push too much. Just breathe and hold back a little bit before you go deeper. So listening and being aware, mindful. Maybe one side feels a little bit different. That's very normal. And squaring out our hips here as well. Breathing. And when you're ready, move into your half split. Put your hands under your shoulders and bend into your left elbow, creating circles with your right leg. Now being very grounded in your left elbow and left hand, as well as your right hand. So you can decide to stay here with your left knee down, or you can stretch your left leg into a variation of dolphin and keep creating your circles and move into your hips here. On your inhale, stretch your arms, stretch your leg in a three-leg dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Option to take one more vinyasa or just stay in down dog. And let's meet in seated and into butterfly. Put your soles of your feet together. Breathe in and exhale, melt down over your legs. Let's stay for 3 breaths. Sending your breath into your hips. Into your lower back. Between your shoulder blades and your neck. And on your inhale, roll up. Help your legs together and roll down to your back. Give yourself a hug, legs to belly, rock from side to side. Slowing down, deeper breath. Just calm yourself. Slowly stretch your right leg and take your left leg to your right side. Stretch your left arm to your left. Universal twists. Breathing deep into your belly and allowing this twist to melt deeper on your exhale. One more breath here. And gently the other leg. Take your right leg to your belly. Move it to your left side and stretch your right arm to your right side. Maybe you want to look towards your right Taking some deep breath, melting any tension, allowing more space and ease into your body and mind. Noticing any sensation. Slowly come back. Now laying butterfly, so the soles of your feet together, hands on the lower part of your belly, and just connect to this area for now. Melting your hips, melting your shoulders, sending your breath into your lower belly. Stay here or stretch out your legs. Make yourself comfortable as we move into Shavasana for 1 minute and then into a seated meditation. I invite you to put your palms on your lower belly, resting the rest of your body, melting your hands, closing down your eyes, and just allowing relaxation to spread all over you. Following your breath as your breath moves naturally in and out from your body. Softness in your jaw, your forehead, around your eyes. Just stay here for 1 minute. Slowly start to move your feet, your hands, keeping your breath natural, and move on to one of the sides. Keeping your eyes closed and your awareness inwards as we rise up to seated. Of course, optional to do the rest of the meditation in laying position as well. Now imagine pure water, the energy of water flowing into your crown, cleansing your mind, crown chakra, and just feel it creating space as it flows down into your third eye, your face, down your neck, slowly freeing up space, moving anything intention, allow this water to flow down your neck, your shoulders, allowing your shoulders to feel light, into your arms, all the way down to your wrist, hands and fingers. Now feel that the water is flowing down into your heart, cleansing, opening up your heart, softening between your shoulder blades, your chest. Feeling this water going into your solar plexus, your belly, flowing down your spine, into your sacral chakra, and into your root chakra, all the way into your hips, your legs, softening your joints, your knees, nourishing everything it touches. Feel that this water is flowing down your quads, your ankles, into your feet, your toes. Now, slowly take your right hand on your lower belly and your left hand on your heart, and as the beginning, start moving with your eyes closed, swaying from side to side or front or back, just being fluid like water, free. Maybe you feel like breathing deeply. Maybe you want to create big movements or just very, very gentle movements. It's okay. So, like water, when it meets obstacles, it creates new ways to flow. So we can learn from this in our life. When we meet obstacles, we can use our creativity to find new ways of being, new ways of thinking, new ways of doing things. Slowly, very slowly, with your eyes closed, take your hands on your lap, long spine, stretch your arms to the sky, and exhale, hands to your heart. If you like to set an intention for your day or your night, you can do that now. Stretch the intention up to the sky, opening it up, and allow it to flow over you like water. Breathe in, stretch your hands up to the sky again. Exhale, hands to your hearts. Thank you so much for today. Love and light your way.
I see